Let's see, maybe. I just restarted everything. It says it's holding. Sorry if anyone was just watching and then my whole thing just crashed. Says I'm not dropping frames anymore, which would be lovely if that's true. Hopefully, should be fine. I'm waiting to see if it pops up on my iPad so I can like look if I'm even actually live right now. Okay, it says I am, and it says I'm not crashing hard, so whatever. I just gotta keep going. Back to this problem. I now no longer have what anyone else was trying to tell me, unfortunately. Okay, so I guess let's go back to whiteboarding. So in any of these, you have like an n-sized array. Like if you would want 0 to n, but that's n size, so there's always gonna be one missing. It's the basic problem of this problem, like the crux. So it's how can we prefix it somehow? Like if we take them all and like get it at its current spot. And isn't there also just like if you sum 1 to n, isn't that like, yeah, I knew I like just saw this on my 212 final actually. So like, couldn't you do, could you do something with that? Like, that's really stupid, and it's not probably how you're supposed to do the problem. But, like, goal is, like n times n minus 1 over 2, and then isn't there some algebra you can do with that? Like, no, how would that help? You can't really solve for the missing one. Yeah, that's really stupid. That is really stupid. I don't know what I'm thinking. God, I'm throwing anything at the wall and I'm just not getting anything to stick in my brain. Would it just be cool? Oh, it's so would. Am I stupid? That should be nums. Hee hee. No. Okay, it's not that. I thought it was that. Oh, because we can include 0 in this case. Yeah, this was stupid anyway. This is it's supposed to be a bits problem, but I was trying to make it not a bits problem. Do I just move on? No, this is gonna annoy me so bad. Because I really don't want to look at the solution. Because it's not like a tree problem in which I don't know something about it. It's like I could figure this out. Like I could have gotten this on a test in one of my like CE classes. Holy shit, this isn't going to annoy me so much. Dude, it has to be something with XOR. It has to be. Do I just look at the solution? I wish there were hints for this. You know what I could do? I could like ask ChatGPT for a hint. Is that stupid? Because, dude, it has to be something with XOR, but it has to be something that I'm missing with XOR. But what is there to miss with XOR? Is it like you make an array? Because the result of XOR will always be like a little bit different. Or is it like, will this XORed with this always be that? So it's like you XOR like the close to, and then that should be the next one, and you like always do that check. I don't know if that makes sense, but like if you were to have 0 and 2, you would expect like, or is it always length? Nums is length 1. No. Am I stupid? Did I do n minus 1? Oh my god, I had -1. That's really funny. Surely there's a bit way to do this, though. That's so funny. Technically, this is open. Is that the solution? No, there is an XOR way to do this. Wait, okay, how? Oh, because you're expecting the ith bit to be the ith number. Oh, that's quite smart. Wait, why does it start off with it being n, though? I think their accumulator starts from XORing 0 to n, then you XOR all nums. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. That does make sense. Wouldn't that be 2 passes, though? Because that's not the same as this, right? Because I thought the way they were thinking about this was like, at the 0th position should hold a 0. And then that together should cancel. But like when they're offset, they can continue. I like your answer, though. There's no guarantee in order. That's true. Because that's why they had sorting up here. Because otherwise you could just, yeah. I think unironically, if I were to get this in an interview, I would have really tried to do it in bits and then go to here. Because my brain did go to this math thing. Like without looking at a hint. I just got the formula wrong. Okay, I'll move on. That was fun, though. I liked that one. Yeah, I rarely say that. It was fun to do a LeetCode problem. What is this? Linked list. Do I want to do a linked list? I kind of want to do another bit one. Yeah, I kind of want to do another bit one. Is this just like building an adder? Like a carry adder? Essentially. Right? That's all this is. You're just building a carry adder. How do you do the fast one though? Because I know how to do like the basic one, where it's just like you go bit by bit, and then like you have a carry bit, you have the 2 bits, and then you check them. I don't know if I'd ever get like this problem. I guess I should probably practice the interview one more. Oh wait, I forgot though. Missing number. What number is this? $268. 268 complete. Did the math solution after spending. Okay. So we're done with you. We're doing you. You're given the beginning of a linked list head and an integer n. Remove the nth node from the end of the list and return the beginning of the list. Interesting. So I think there's like a dummy situation that we're going to need. But you need, it's not doubly linked. So it's not like you can just keep track of like a... Like how else could you keep track of where it is in reference to the end without finding the length? Like the easy way is you iterate all the way to the end, you find the length. Like that's the naive way, is you iterate all the way to the length, and then you can just do like, keep track of where you are as a head, like iterate the current pointer until you're at length minus the ones you've passed so far. And then just like make that previous pointer the like adjacent pointer, so you skip that one and then just return the dummy. But what's the recommended? I mean, that would be O of n. It would just be O of 2n, which actually isn't that bad because there's only 30, so that's like nothing actually. Can you be guaranteed a node? Can you? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so what did I say I would do? So I think we need to do a little cur equals head equals dummy situation. I've seen this multiple times in these types of problems. Can't type at all, dude. We hit it with a while cur, length spelled correctly, plus equals 1, cur equals cur.next. Something very simple. So now we have a length variable, and then now we go now we reset cur equal to head. And then we hit it again with while cur. Like the index would be, so we need an I. The index would be length minus I. I guess we don't even really need that. We kind of just need to check if like minus I is equal to n. And then if it is oh, we need a previous. Right? And then, what else do we do? If it's not, then we hit it with a equals cur, equals cur.next, plus equals 1. I forgot to return. Huh? Do I need to do it like that? Is that real? It should always have it, actually, so it should be fine. No? Oh, yeah. Maybe I just handle that case separately where it's like it only has one thing. Like just hit it with up top here. Because if it's the first one, you can always just skip it. Nope. Ah, it's the same problem. Am I just not setting prev correctly? Because why would this be wrong? So we go through, we find that it has a length of length starts at 0 while cur. Hate the edge cases for this one, dude. Oh, there's probably so many. If you're saying that, there's probably so many, and I'm gonna get so pissed off at this so quickly. Because I think I have like a decent idea. Is there a way to do this in one pass? There definitely is, right? Prev equals none. Can I just start prev at cur? Or is that stupid? Like if prev equals none. Yeah, but you need a trick for that, and I'm assuming that trick is not going to be found by me anytime soon. I'm gonna just try to get this one right, and then I'll think about a trick. Walker. Like, when would previous not be defined? It'd be if it never hits this. So it's like on the first pass. Well, your solution makes sense, though. I appreciate that. Same thing. Dude, I'm so bad at finding tricks in these problems. Because my mind goes to the naive solution pretty much always, and it's like, I could just stick at that. It's like the same thing I do on tests. It's like, everyone always tells me, like, oh, look over your test if you have extra time. Dude, if I put down an answer, like, I trust myself. Like, there's nothing better. I'm perfect. I already did it, even though it's the stupidest thing, and I'm, like, almost always wrong. Okay, so anyways, the case of this, I think actually it should be something like this. It's just as simple as if length minus n equals 0, then we just return a dot next. Because then previous should always be defined. But then we should start I at 1. Right? Should start I at 1. And previous should be... What should previous be? Previous should be like the dummy of the first head, and cur should be a dot next. Even though that's quite stupid, but that should ensure that they're always defined. Maybe? Yippee! Alright, what's the one-pass solution? Can I think of... I'm gonna give myself 2 minutes to think about the one-pass solution. So 3:32. 2 minutes is not enough time, bro. Like, how can you find the offset? Do you store it somewhere else? Maybe there are hints? Well, there are hints. So I did the 2-pass approach. Did that. Did that. Using a greedy approach. Move the first pointer n steps ahead. Wait, what? We can solve this in 1 pass using a greedy approach. Move the first pointer n steps ahead. Oh my god, that's so smart. Because then as soon as you know that it hits none, you're at the end. Oh my god. Dude, that's so smart. That's so smart. Alright, let me try to code that. And then, should I do one more? I probably should. Like, projects are cool, but I need a job, bro. Projects are cool and all, but I need a job. Okay, so to do this in 1 pass, sorry, my laptop is like actually overheating as a motherfucker, so I'm taking the blankets off. To do this in 1 pass, we would do first equals cur, hit it with one of those. Nope, hit it with one of these. Is what I meant. We're also going to need it to be equal to dummy, because we need a dummy. This is such silly syntax, by the way. Okay, so then we first move... So we first move first pointer up n spots. So it's just... something like this. And then we loop until increment first and second until first is none. So and then once you're there, so now first is none. So then we just hit it with a second dot next equals second dot next, and then we return dummy. Nope, that's not what we do. I thought, wait, at this point the second pointer is just before the node to be removed. Oh, because I should do while first dot next. No? 4K. Oh. Another edge case. One of my favorites. So first is already none. Wait, what? I guess we could do it like the check in here. I go first and next. Something like that. Still no. What? Why would second be none? Or I guess second dot next dot next. Dude, I hate this problem. I understand basically how to do it. I'm not looking at edge cases. I've done this problem for too long. 2 pointers. Recursion. Dude, what? Hell no, 2 pointers. Hell no. That's not even what they said in the hint. Hell no. Alright. Well, when they don't give you a solution and you want a solution. Sam Altman, where you at? Help. Bang. Create a dummy node. So that's how you do a dummy node. Haven't done can you guys tell I haven't done a linked list problem in over a year? Dude. God damn it. My stream is dying again, bro. Because I can't, dude, it's so bad. Why is it so bad?